Hi to everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic called distributed system synchronization. This is very important topic. Because of synchronization we can communicate with one each other. In a distributed system the communication plays a very vital role. So for that communication this synchronization plays the important topic. A clock synchronization, logical clocks, LAMP4 timestamp, total ordering multicasting, vector timestamp and global state is a very important thing. A clock synchronization, multiple processes do not simultaneously access the shared resources. Multiple shares needs to agree on the ordering of event. Synchronization based on the relative ordering. How to record distributed global state. How to elect the coordinator among the group of person. Distributed mutual exclusion allow the share the resources. Distributed transaction in addition optimize access through the advanced concurrency control mechanism. A logical clocks. For a certain class of algorithm, it is an internal consistency of the clock to matter, not whether they are particular close all the real time. If the two processes do not interact, it is not necessary that there is a clock synchronization. If whenever where there is a interaction, there should be a synchronization, where usually matter that there is a agree in a terms of which event occurs. Two event concurrency if either A tends to B or nor B tends to A. Whether we need a way of assigning the value to all the events and the process to agree, then the tends to value always increase. A LAMP4 timestamp. Three process each of its own clock. The clock run at the different rate. The LAMP4 algorithm correct the clocks. Sometimes in additional requirement, no two event occurs exactly at the same time. Solution is attach the number of the process in which event is occurred a low order at end of the time separated by the decimal points. A totally ordering multicast. Assuming that the messages from the same sender are receiving in the order then where we send and the no messages are lost. When the process is receiving a message, it is put into the local queue, then ordering according to the timestamp. All the process will eventually have the same copy of the local queue. The timestamp reflect the consistency of global ordering of event. A process can deliver the EQ and then application is running only when the message is at the head of the queue. An example of total ordering, suppose I am having one persons, two persons have to be communicated, then it wants to updated one with the updated two. The updated one performing before updated two. There should not be a replicated data, so we can maintaining the synchronization. That means all the times I have say right, if suppose I am having a and B, the A wants to happen before B, okay, that means A tends to B wants to maintain. Updating and replicating the data, leaving in inconsistency state, a LAMP4 timestamp can be used to implement the total ordering of multicasting in distributed fashion. Vector timestamp. With a LAMP4 timestamp, nothing can be said about the relationship between the two event A and B by comparing the timestamp value as C of A and C of B. The problem that the LAMP4 timestamp do not capture the causality. The vector timestamp, that means Vt of A assigned to the event, A is a property of if Vt of A less than Vt of B, then the A is known as causal proceed of B. It is considering by letting the process of Pi maintaining the vector V. That means V of I is a number of event has occurred for all the Pi. If V of I is equal to K, then Pi is known as the event occur at Pi. The first property maintained by increasing the Vi at the occurring time of a new event Pi. The second property maintained the piggybacking vector of Vt along with the messages of unsent. Then the Vi is increased by 1. The message could deliver only when no causality constraints are violating. Consider the case of P1. This is what the global state. That should be a synchronization. If there is no synchronization, the cut is maintaining. That means a process E1 should be smaller than process E2. If there is no synchronization, the cuts is happening. Center of M2 cannot be identified with the cuts. Here this is a diagram, this initialization in between the marker is there. Their marker is having the process of organizing the channels and distributing the snapshots. Here the marker is having a place the main vital role. He is having a recording of all the states. Based on that marker recording, the synchronization is happened. That means process Q receiving the marker from the first time and record to the local state. A Q record all the incoming messages. Q receiving the marker for his incoming channels and finishing the records to the timestamp. Thank you to all.